Online, am I audible? Online, can you hear me? Yes. Last bench boys, you can come somewhat front, right? I think girls, there are some gaps now. You can adjust. Arre, boys, here all our seats are free only now. Good. India is the only country where students are proud to say they are backbench. You know that? There is one colleague of mine. He was shocked by this behavior. Okay, in other countries they are not like that. People will die, students will die if they are in backbench. Korea and Japan people, students literally die. Their parents bribe the teachers to put the students in front bench. And we will write movies names also, backbench students. Come front, re, sit front. Seriously. Good. Settled everyone. Good. Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? Good. Fine only. One day I hope that everyone will say yes sir, that I am fine. What is that much wrong in you guys? Like, what is there to worry? Not fine. Financial problems? No. Obviously, you all are students. 90% of the people just came freshly from college, 2023 batch, right? Then automatically you guys will have free only, Re. Don't worry about job and all now only. Again, I'm saying it. See, job will come, you all will earn. The people who are come freshly, the 2023 batch, I'm saying it, learn the skill. 1 year can be. No worries. If you get a job in 2024, still you can earn the whole your life. Okay? Market is good only. You need to learn the skill. Don't think it like I have to start the money and I have to do and all. No. No need to be worried in that. Anyway, let's come back to our class. Not bad. Now, listen everyone. We have discussed we have discussed basic select class where or we have discussed something clauses like order by, group by, having, and we have discussed constraints also like primary key or foreign key or sorry, foreign spelling is wrong. Foreign key or unique. Candidate key is a concept, but we won't write it like the candidate key somewhere else. Okay, it's just a concept one. Or you will write unique, or you will write something called check. You will write something auto increment. Listen, auto increment will work if you write it the particular value as primary key. Whatever the column you are incrementing, make the column as primary key and it will automatically go with the auto increment, sir. Or any other things? Huh? Aggregate functions we did. And we also discussed aggregate functions like sum, average, max, min, count. Any more? Group concat. Okay. And we discussed how to do alias, like we will give as, we will give some other name. Okay. So usually, sir, we will use these things only in our basic queries also. Except that we need one more thing. These things, whatever we did till now, these things are actually useful for uh, only one table. What if we have multiple tables and how do you solve them? And that is what comes to the topic, the next one, which is joins. We just had an introduction of what is joins in the last class, and we'll go in depth of them. In your Python full stack journey, most of the people are full stack Python. So we are going with as much we necessary, ma. Okay. It's like any database, when you want to learn it, the more and more you go, the more and more depth it will become. This course, SQL, you will learn for something data analysis and how much it is needed for the Python programs. Okay. You won't become database specialist. There are something called database admins, database specialists. Those people are different. Okay. But you guys, how do you integrate your Python into this database? How do you take the data? How do you put the data? How do you read it? How do you delete it? Basic CRUD operations, you will understand it. And you will start to analyze the data also using these things. Okay. Those were the main things we will discuss. Even in MongoDB, those things only discussed. Okay. Now, joins. Joins are used to retrieve the data, to retrieve the data from combined results. Combined table results. Used to retrieve the data from the combined table results, sir. We have several tables, several joins we have. The first one we will go with is inner join. When you specify normally join also, it will go with the inner join only actually. Okay. Now here, inner join, how it will work. It retrieves the data which is common, in both the tables, on both the tables. Now let's go here. Let's create some tables to make you understand it easily. Let me create it some table. Serial numbers, student name, or it's like phone number, marks, certificate, courses, course. No, result. So we have one Raj marks 32, result F, 2 something Arch 536, 96, A 3, Arch. So let's go with 46. E. This is one table. Imagine the table name is students. Students table. Now let's insert another one. Student number and certificate number course. Now here one I can increase one more thing, right? Insert a row below. One, two, certificate number, BTech, SSC, some diploma. Now here SSC, diploma. Now guys, see, this is one table called certificates table. Analyze this. Certificates. Now, okay, we also discussed like operator, right? Yeah, percentage symbol, like and underscore. Now, anyway, here, analyze these two and tell me the queries. How many courses that Raj did? 3, right or not? So you must have go through this procedure that here Raj with an ID, serial number connected to this, and here one, and he is having the courses. How many courses are there? You just put the count function. It will automatically work. Simple, na? Now imagine, sir, using these two values, if I am doing the inner join, and I am printing the names and the certificate codes, certificate numbers. You know what I will get? I will get the Raj detail. I will get the Aj details, but I won't get the Baj details. Why? He is not there in the second one. You got my point? When I want the details of a specific values, see, I am getting the names only. The names of the people who are in both tables. Who are in both tables. Then I will go with something called inner join. I will go with something called inner join. Or if I use left join, you know what will happen? It will come if I'm going with this serial number and the certificate number, name and the certificate number. Imagine. In that case, what will happen? Raj will get their certificate numbers. Aj will get the certificate numbers. Baj will get null. If I'm going with left join means it will print all the possible values in the left side, left table, first table, and right side table. If there is no matching value, it will give null. You got my point? If I'm using inner join, sir, match value should be there, else no possibility. If you are using something called in left join, only left side values completely will be printed and the right side will become null if there is no match. If you use right join, imagine there is one more value here where here I am just taking another value 4. And this time what will happen if I am printing it something and this 4 value will print if I use right join. But is there any subsequent for the 4 in the first table? No. Then it will become null. That is what right join means. That is what right join. So it will print the possible outcomes in the right join, but if there is no match in the left one, it will go with null. Sir, I wanted both the values, sir. Left side, right side. That is called full join, also called full outer join. Okay. Actually, that is not possible in MySQL. We will just do left join and right join. We will combine them. Okay. We can't do directly full outer join in MySQL. Okay. Let's see each and everything, how they works. Now, let's see again. First thing, if it is not understand more, let's go with one by one. Okay. First, here I want the names, okay, and the certificate number of the people who are common, who are common. The query goes like this, then the query is only common details he wants. So the common details means inner join. So select what fields you need. S name, okay, comma, certificate number, from. What are the table? Students table. Sir, students as S1. Students as S1. Inner join. You have to write like this. With what table you are joining? Yes. Again, select columns from first table, inner join. Any joins are actually. If you put just join also, it will work it in basic SQL. Okay. MySQL sometimes works, sometimes not. So we will go with inner join specifically. Okay. Because there are some other things, self join also, it may trigger. So we will go with inner join and we will go with second table. Let me name it as certificates only. Certificates as S2. Is it clear? But what is the condition? On what condition you want to print? Sir, usually what is the condition value on, right? Sorry, where, right? Conditions means where. But in joins, we will go with on. On what particular condition you want to join them? On S1 dot SNM. Whoa, S1. Inside the S1 table, whatever the serial number is there, that should be equals to inside the S2, whatever the certificates number. Whatever the certificate number. If, understand this again, if select, oh, sorry, here S name means what is the S1 dot S name. Now certificate means S2 dot S2. Understand this line, sir. In the S1 table, S name. In the S2 table, certificate number I want. Whatever the columns I want, I will put it in the select, sir. Whatever the columns I want, where you will put select. Then next, from the table 1, from table 1, then as S1 I will give one name, inner join table 2, as S2 I will give name, and then on I will give condition, sir. I will give condition. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Raise your hand, whoever know. uh, that's what. So whoever is not understanding it, let's try it with an example. We will do it now with an example. No worries. Let me remove it. Let's open the workbench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, just try it slowly. You will understand it. No worries. I will repeat it again and again. This is an important topic, ma. Okay, today we won't discuss much except this topic. We will go as much as again and again. Only the thing is, take your water bottle and don't sleep. Then you will understand it. Okay? That's the only requirement from you. Now, let's start it here. What is the table here? We have something classic models. Use classic models. Happy? Huh. Now let me open this. In the table, sir, I have a tables customers. Let me check it here in the customers. Customers, we have customer ID, customer number, customer name, customer last name, first name, phone number, address, and address too. Okay. Again, I'm saying it. Whoever is not having this database, I gave you one file. Did you all remember that? Did you all take my file? It also created database, right? So that's why I'm saying it. If you not take that file and run, just you have to run only na. If you take that file and run it, sir, it will come automatically. Is it clear? What is that expressions, Ray? Why everyone silent today? Huh? What? क्या हुआ? Wake up, wake up. No, everyone is silent. That I don't like. Anyway, customer number here, customer name, last name, first name, phone number, address, address to city, state, postal code, sales employee, and credit limit. See, we have today. I will give you questions also based on this only. Okay. If you want to see it like everything, whatever is there, I will give you one PDF of the tables also list, which you can see it here on this table. What are there? This is also will be there in the drive. Don't worry. Now, so क्या हुआ? Seriously? We didn't even start anything only. Now see, customers, orders. Now let's make it a relation between customer table and order table, or you can make it a relation between customer table and products table. We have products, or see here, these are the product. Each product have a product code, and it is having with something called product lines. In this product lines, we have something called descriptions, text descriptions, right or not? Now I want to see the description of a product. I will give you the product name. Based on a product name, I want to see the description, or I want to see between these two lines how many values are there. All products, product name and their description, product name and the description, sir. See in this table, is there any product name? No. See in this table, only product line is there, and here it is connected. In this table, is there any name? No. Description is there. Description of the product or image of the product is there. In this table, product name is there. Product name is there. So I want to print the product name and product description, sir. Is it clear? Any doubt, sir? Is it clear, ma? Now, let's start it. Now, let's go here. Products and product lines and product code. Okay. Go here. I want to check, select product code. See this. I want to check product code and product name and product description, or what is the name? Text description, right? The name is text description. Sir, you create your own tables and also try, sir. Okay. That is so simple. Now, just now I showed you some simple student table and certificate table. Like that, if you create your own and check it, what will be the result in inner join? what will be the result in our, left join? What will be the result in right join? If you think for 5 minutes, it will be over. But the problem is people don't like to think. People like to everything explain, and it won't work. Okay. Now let's see anyway. Go here, select product name, product code, text description from, what is the table name? Products. Products is the first table. So let's take it as P1 or T1, table 1. Okay. Inner join, table 2 name. Table 2 name is product lines. Product lines. Product lines. Now in this product lines as table 2. See, sir, what I'm doing it, I just took it here. So I want T1 dot product name, T2 dot, oh, sorry, T1 dot product name, T1 dot product name, product code. And inside the table 2, we have text description. Huh? That is a mistake. Okay. Sir, in the table 1, whatever the product code is there, in the table 1, whatever the product name is there, I want both of them. I want both of them. And I want the text description also. Is it clear, sir? Any doubts? Is it clear, ma? Uh, Now, inner join, but you have to tell the condition now. On what? On a specified condition that inside the T1, there is one code called, in the T1 also product line is there. See, T1 also product line is there. T2 also product line is there. In one line, it will be primary key or candidate key. It will be in another one, foreign key. So I will go with the T1 dot product line. L is small or capital? Capital only. Product line equals to T2 dot product line. What is T1? What is T2? Don't get confused, ma. T1 means table 1 है. T2 बोले तो table 2. Now inside the table 1, whatever the values are there, I want to print. Inside the table 2, whatever the values I want to print, I will print. But here only the common values will come. Imagine one name is there, one product is there. Imagine one Samsung phone is there. That product का description नहीं है. Or that product is not having it any product line connected to that particular one. Then it won't come. Only the values which are matching, which are there, only it will come. Similar to my example here. In this certificate example, now if I do the same experiment here, for Baj will not come. If you want, you can try the same thing in your things. Okay. When you go home and when you start to practice it, if you try it, Baj will not come in the inner join. But in left join, it will come. Is it clear? Now let's try it, sir. Let's go here. Let's run it up. Now see, it printed the product code and product name and the description, sir. Now it printed all the values. See? Now let me check it here in the products table. Is there any value which is not there? Products. S10, 10, 10, 10. If they are having basic numbers, it would be easy. If it is a small data, it would be easy actually. S72, 3212. Oh, it's there, all values. 3167. So the logic is so simple. Whatever the tables are there, do we have any two tables in any of the things? Employees, demo, no, demo is nursery, or EMS. How many tables are there in EMS? One only. In students, do we have two tables? Yes. Okay, this data is easy for me. Guys, देखो. Here we have student number, student name, percentage, date of joining, course. Okay. And we have another table. In this table, again, their serial. Oh, I did not put any values only in this. Let's insert some data. Use students, then insert into, huh? Insert into students. No, insert into certificates. Very good. Insert into certificates. What do we need to do? Next, quickly tell me, ma. Values. Certificate spelling tappu. R. Is it the same name? Yes. Certificates and values. In the values, what we need to give, sir? We need to give values, sir, for the columns. Now here we have three columns. Serial number, certificate number, and the result. Now here serial number 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, like that. Now, I will not give you every value. I will give you only few values. So 120, comma, certificate number 25252, and result fail. Again, comma, 121, again 58585, and result success, then comma, 138, comma, uh, some number, comma, here fail. Semicolon, inserted. Why it showed error? Data too long for column res. I think I gave 4 letters only. Pass or fail. At that time I used char, I think. Brackets, అర్థం కాలా. What brackets? I don't think we need to give it, right? We can directly insert it. Char 4. Okay. Is there any foreign keys? Okay. Why the values are not getting updated? Save. Go here. 1, 2. Done. Now, let's see, sir. Let's see the tables. Now, see, guys, focus here, ma. Now, you have only serial number 120. See, for 120, some certificate number is there, right or not? For 121, some certificate number is there, right or not? For 122, also some certificate number is there. But if you see in students table, we have 124 guy, we have 120 guy, we have 125, 126, 127. Are these values are inside the table? No. Now, if I perform, guys, listen, if I perform the inner join, ma, now these values will not come because they are not in one table. But if you perform left join, these guys will come because the left table is this. Is it clear? Now let's start our same logic, sir. Now serial number, serial name, percentage, DOJ, course. I will remember serial name and serial number. And here I will remember certificate number and serial number. Okay. Serial number, certificate number. Very good. Go here, come here. Now let's perform the same logic, sir. Use students. Use students. Now here, T1 dot, I want serial number and T1 dot serial name and T2 dot certificate number. Right or not? Is it surname only, sir T? Sir T. Very good. Sir T. Now here, the table name STD NTS. Here the table name certificates as T2. Here T1 dot SNO is equals to T2 dot SNO. Now see how much easy it is. Now here, now see here, it is getting use student, sir. Here select, we are getting T1 dot SNO, T1 dot SName and T2 dot CertName. Only the values which are there in both. Now let's run this particular application. T1 dot SName. You have an error. Huh? In T1 S1 is name is there now. No, I didn't understand. Table. No, I gave it as T1 only, right? STD and TS as T1. See, I gave it clearly there, certificates. See, I got this thing. Why did I not get T1 dot S name in that perspective? It came. What is the difference then? Okay, whatever. Sometimes it will happen. Now, guys, everyone, focus here, ma. Simple example. In the table 1, in the table 1, STD and TS, sir, listen, focus here. In the STD and TS table, see here how many values are there? 120, 121, 122, 123, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 8 people are there. But did 8 people came here? No. Now, but if I write it here, instead of inner join, if I write it the same thing as left join, and then I perform, now see, now 8 people are coming. All the values in the left side are coming. But what is the certificate numbers now? Null. So whatever the person's certificate number is not there, for them what will come automatically? Null. So left join means it will try to take whatever the values in the left side, sir. It does not need to be matched. If the values are matched values are there or not, it does not matter. All the values from left side it will bring. But if I used inner join, only the common values between these both tables, only those values will come, sir. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Let's alter this in somewhat differently. Now I am taking students as table 2 and inner join as table 1. Control X. Usually as per the syntax, we will write like this. So can anyone guess now output? Can anyone guess the output now? Why? Oh, S name is not there, na? Yes, it will be error only. Here, cert number. Here, S name. Now no error, na? Now, Bolo, what it will be the output then? It will be the same. So I go here, then it will come with the same result, sir. Okay. Only the difference is number name is coming at the end. Okay. But here, first table is taking as certificates and second table. You know why it is same? Because you are taking the inner join. What if I take the left join? Will it be same? No. Now left join means all the left side values will take. And whatever the values which are not in the right table also, it will take it. And the unmatched values will become null. Unmatched values will become null. Now, instead of left join, I will go right join. Now, you know what will happen? All the right side values will come. All the right side values will come. And the left side values, if they are not matching, they will become null. They will become, sir, null. Now, let's write it here. See, the same result which I got earlier, I outperformed with this one. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this, sir? No. Now, everyone, just a simple task. Take this particular tables. Now, write a query. You can see the tables and then start writing the query. You can take a notebook and start write the query, which I will tell. Okay. So that you will understand it better. Now slowly try to understand it, sir. Now 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 write a query to retrieve all the students names, all the students names with their respective all the students names with their respective certificate numbers. Now see this. First write the output, then try to write the query. If you are not understanding it, don't directly go for the query. It will be somewhat difficult for initial times. Sir, I want all the students names, sir. Okay, let's write it an output here, student names. And here, what are the names here? Raj, Aj, and Baj. And what will be their certificate numbers? 12121 something, or 56 something, or 85 something. Again for Baj, 2, 6, 7, 8. For Baj, anything is there? For Baj, anything is there, ma? Then what it will become? Can anyone tell me what join I performed? What join I performed? Left join. Sir, if I do the same thing, inner join, what will change in the output? Baj will not come because Baj ka value is not in this table. There is no respective value in the Baj in the second table, na? Is it clear? And that's why it will not come. Is it clear? Is it clear, sir? Or at least learn from them, Ray. That energy is what I needed. Okay. Now let's try. Let's start it here. One more blank page. Now let's create one more table. The topic may seem simple, but actually it's the future. Like you will do every day the joins in your Python applications to analysis. Okay. Now this time I'm gonna give another data. Let's write it product ID, product name, uh, product ID, product name, product price, uh, manufacture date. Huh? That's actually nice thought. Expiry date here 101, P name XYZ 252, and manufacture date 23 8 2014, 23 8 2050. So 102 ABC 256 24 8 2014, 24 8 2015, 103 ZTS or 258 24 8 2014, 24 28 2015, whatever it is. Then again 105 PQR 25 8 2014, 24, oh sorry, and let's understand one more thing. Now here let's do sales data. Now in the same thing, sir, let's do something sales data ma. Oh shit. Product ID, number of sales, um number of sales, and what we can do, location 102. Here number of sales 25 items in location US. 103 26. Okay, you like it, go with that. Now I am not at all a fan of it, just make it a structure. Now see guys, here it is just in a dummy data, right? Now retrieve the name of the products, everyone. Just write it, ma. Try to think for it. If you are not getting it, I will tell you. But I'm 100% sure you will get it. It's a simple thing. Retrieve, retrieve the name of the products. The name of products. Retrieve the names of products which mm, are having sales values. Sales values. Like number of sales. Number of sales. Retrieve the names of products which are having the number of sales. Everyone try it. I want, if a product is having a number of sales, print it. If a product is not having number of sales, leave it. What you will use? Inner join. How you will use it? Do it. How you will do it? Do it, ma. Select. Just write it. If you have the time, please draw the table and write it, so that next time when you see your notes, you will remember that easily. Okay, you can just write it some dummy thing in table also. You don't need scale and pencil, ma. Don't draw with scale and pencil. That much neat is not necessary for me. Okay, just boys anyway don't use it. No, I know that. We never used. No. Okay, someone in the online gave me the answer, so I'm copying his answer. Why to type it? So I didn't see. Now, so select p dot name with number of sales. P dot name is from T1, T1 dot P dot name, and number of sales which is from T2. So T2 dot number of sales. Write something, na? When you try it one time, you will remember it, sir. Okay. I can tell it easily, but later times when you see T1, T2, you will confuse. That's what. Yeah. Huh. Perfect. That's the output actually. 102 ABC 25, 103 ZTS 26. Right? Now, very good online also. Some people are getting it correct only. It is from table 1, inner join, table 2. So this is the answer. Someone gave in the online. Okay. Select. Select T1 dot PID, T2, T1 dot PName, T2 dot PID, T2 dot number of. Now it is a problem. If you write like this, two times the PID will be printed. Right or not? The guy did it right only, but the only difference he did is if you print this two times PID will be printed, not good for the selection. Remaining all are correct. From products table T1, from the sales table T2, T1 dot PID equals to T2 dot PID. It's perfect. Okay. Now someone is going with count function. That won't work. Why? Because aggregate functions cannot come with normal tables, sir. Okay, that is just a one value. You cannot come with both, either one. Aggregate values or this. Okay, you cannot separate it. You cannot do like that. In joins also you can do aggregate, but you cannot print the values and aggregate at a time. Either values or aggregates, any one only. Okay. Now, good. Next one, sir. Now, second query. Select, or sorry, not select. Retrieve, retrieve all the products names names with their respective respective locations. Sir, does all products have locations? But I want the product name. If I don't have location, it would be null. Is it clear? So which join you will go with? Left join. If you select the first table as first table, okay, then only you will go with left join. What if, sir, I selected the products as a second table and I will go with left join? It will not work. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. So whatever the before, after from is there, this is called first table. And after inner join or left join, something you will write now, this is called second table. Okay. So according to joins logic, this is left, this is right. Okay. Now let's start it, sir. Let's write it, everyone. Write the same logic. Retrieve all the product names with their respective locations. Each and every product name with their respective locations, sir. Huh? The t1.pid, comma, t2 dot, t1 dot pname, comma, t2 dot location from products as t1, left join sales as t2 on t1.pid equals to t2.pid. Perfect, sir. Whatever the making it join, that one only we will write the condition on. Very good. Now, next one. Let me add one more thing here. Insert a row below. Oh, 115, 25, India. 27. Now, go here. Now, list the name. Now here, list the required products, required prod products which doesn't have name, which doesn't have name but sales. Sir, some products are selling so good, okay, selling so good, but they are not having any name in our database. I want to retrieve them. Okay, see, is the product ID with 115, is it having any name? Is it having any name, sir? No, I want that product. I want the product name for the products, whatever are there, who are not having names, but they are in the right side. Now, in that cases, I can take it, sir. Okay. Now, what I will print, I can print directly names. Now, sir, here, where clause we are not using it. But if you want to use where clause, you will write it after on condition is over. You will write it where. Now, in the third condition, I will write it. You know what the third condition is? Let me write it. Select t1 dot pid. Sir, Will you write T1.pid, sir? No, you will write T2.pid. You know why? Because 115 is not there in T1 only. That is our target. Our target is 115, 27 India. And instead of India, 115 null 27. Null is the name. Right or not? So I wanted, sir, T2.pid and comma T2 dot number of sales, comma T1 dot name from products as T1. Product is the left one. Right join sales as T2 on T1 equals to PID equals to T2 dot PID. Sir, can anyone tell me the output of this? See this clearly. Huh? First thing, India, I didn't print. Okay. Second thing, I am printing T2.pid. Did I put any condition there? No. Okay. On is for condition for joining the table. On is not an exact conditional query. Now here, dekho, when I'm joining them, I'm joining with the right join. And I'm printing PID. Will it print 1 or 2 or not? Yes, it will print 1 or 2. 1 or 2 XYZ 25. 1 or 3 ABC, oh sorry, 1 or 2 ABC 25. 1 or 3 ZTS 26. 115 null 27. So 3 rows are coming. So right join will bring all the values from right side. Whatever are not there in the left, only those things will come. Right or not? But I don't want that ABC and ZTS come. Is it clear, sir? Now one more time, ma. Now this query actually brings the result like this. If you write this query, you know what will happen. Here PID, this, where is this one? Draw, huh? Now, if you do that, sir, what will happen is, I will get this PID, all PIDs, and I will get their respective names. This one name, and the locations also, the number of sales, sorry, number of sales also. But for this one, it will come the name as null. Right or not? I don't want this too, because they are already existed. Our query is which are not having the names only. Sir, in that case, I will go with where, sir. In that case, I will go with where. So where, how do I go out of this? Insert. Heh. Here write where, uh, where is this one? Huh? T1 dot P name equal is null or equals to null. You can write it is null or equals to null. So you are getting some data. On that data, again, you are performing one condition so that only the conditional data will be rendered. Is it clear? Is it clear, sir? So just try to perform it again. Here, if I do this right join, all the values from the right side will come, sir. But I want it only the values which has to be null. So again, I will apply one condition. So I will put where if I want it. Okay. Where is always optional. Okay. Now, next one, sir. Very good online. It's right. You can put equals to or is null. Both will work, sir. Now, next one. Sir, can you do full outer join? So actually we discussed inner join or left join or right join Inner join, left join, right join, or something called full outer join is there. Full outer join. Sir, this is just a conceptual one. Full outer join will not work it in MySQL. MySQL cannot implement full outer join directly. But you can get the value, by union, by using something called union, sir. You know what does it mean by union? Union means combine, sir. Union will actually combine the things. If I write it one simple query, imagine I'm writing the query select asterisk from table students where SNO equals to 121. What it will bring? Whatever the details of the student, roll number is 121, right or not? Right? Now, same thing, I will write it here. Union select asterisk from STDNTS where SNO equals to 155. You know what will happen? It will take the values from the 121 guy and it will take the values from the 155 guy and it will combine them. Two queries values will be combined and will be given is something called union. But important point is if you use union always both queries should have same number of columns, and both should have same number of columns, sir, and same data types with same order also. Sir, I am printing it here student name. Here I am printing it like student course. Will it work, sir? No. Here same number of columns with the same order and it will work. But if I write it here yes name, it won't work. In one query you are printing it one column and in another query you are printing two columns. That won't work, sir. Okay, basically what it will do, imagine you have one table with in down it will put another table. It will not combine the tables vertically, it will combine the tables horizontally. Imagine you have one table with 4 columns. I am giving you another table with 5 columns. Can you fit that in horizontally? You can't fit it, right? And that's what its problem also. So union, always remember, union works like that. It's here someone gave me one table. If someone gave me this table, sir, okay, now there is another table also with the same number of columns, now or different number of columns. Now, sir, can I combine this both like this? No. If the both are of same columns or similar data type columns in the same order and the same number of columns, then it will fit. You have 3 columns table, I have 3 columns table, and the data types match. Let's fit them. But you have something, you have 4 columns, I have 3 columns. How can I combine them? So that's not how the union works. Is it clear, sir? But if you want to perform full outer join, it will work it with a union, sir. It will work it with union. Now, last but not least, you have one more thing join, sir, which is called, so yeah, how you will do it in this, you will write the left join logic, in this you will write the right join logic, and you will combine the both. Okay. Now, anyway, last but not least, there is one more thing called self join. This is interesting. Self join means one table will interact with its own. Okay. Now, this is what the most people will get confused actually. For example, I want to get different order details. I want to get different order details which are from the same day, which are from the same day. Now, let's go here. Hmm. Yeah, let me show it to you practically. Orders table. Order date, order date, order date. Huh. Now, देखो. Listen, everyone. Now, listen, everyone. Here, there is one. Where is this? Huh. Here, if you see, uh, there are two orders are there. 10130, which is coming from 2003 16, and the same day 10131 order also came. One day 2 3 orders can come na, right or not? So for one restaurant, two orders come in the same day. I want them. I want the orders which are coming on same day but different orders. Okay, for both of them, date is same, right or not? But orders ID are different. Orders ID is different. So do how many tables you need for this? One table only. This table will interact with this table only, and you will call it as one table only. You will write it in two different ways. Select, use classic models, use, let me zoom it, use classic models, select. Here, I want the order number, T1 dot order number, just a minute, T1 dot order number, then T2 dot order date, where from orders, is this table name orders only? Orders as T1. Sir, do I have to write self join as self join? No, you can write it as join, which will go with the self join. Now here, orders as T2 on. Now here, I will write it here on T1 dot order number, order date equals to T2 dot order date. Now, now focus here, ma. Listen, the only way to understand any database is to visualize the database. You guys are still in a mode like, okay, some table is there. No, imagine the table is someone's data, it's someone's life, it's a business. Someone's business is happening with the data, right or not? When you visualize the data, it will be very easy to get the queries and analysis. Okay. Believe me, people are paying for analyst for more than the developer because they can imagine. Okay. Now here, now there are two tables. Actually, one table only. One time I'm taking it as T1, another time I'm taking the same table as T2. And I'm saying it when T1 order date, like in the same table, when order dates are matching, in that particular time, bring the order number. Bring the orders number, sir. Now let me do it. Now here, see. Now if I write it here, T1 dot order date also, then I will get all the order details. See, these are the details here. Why they are getting it different. 100 and 103. Now T2 dot, which is similar, obviously, because it's a simple, it displays the total data, and it shouldn't actually. It is actually displaying the whole data. No, it shouldn't. T2 dot order number. Now here, see, basically when we use it same table also, when we are joining, it should come actually, because it should match the date. One time it will take the date, and again if the date is matching with another time, it should print it. What if I go with the not equals to? No, it should not come. Again, it is displaying the total data. We'll check it one more time. Anyway, now everyone, guys, focus here. We'll check it one more time. I will tell you the self join one more time and we'll do queries. But tomorrow, everyone, listen. By tomorrow, I want you to check it all the things till now. Select where group by or having whatever we discussed in the initial classes that we discussed earlier, including the join, sir. Now, what we discussed till now, the joins, the self join, I will tell you one more time. We will see it. Join, left join, left join, inner join, right join, union, or full outer join. Now, just focus on this thing, sir. Listen, everyone. Tomorrow, we will do only Querisma. Okay? Tomorrow, I will just display the questions and I want you to do the queries. Okay? So that it will be complete practice for you, these basic things. And then day after tomorrow, we will go with some advanced ones like if, switch, for and all. Okay? Is it clear? Any doubts till now? Now for practice, you can take the tables I gave you, ma. I think everyone I gave you one code in the Google Drive. It is there. SQL code. Take it, drive. In the drive, you can see it here. Databases. Sir, you can check it. Actually, aggregate functions are inside the basic commands only. Are inside this. And download this SQL file and try to run it in your database. And it will create a new database named classic models. Okay. So whole data will come, sir, and try to practice with that data. Or if you want to try it on your own, go to Kaggle and download some SQL and then try it, sir. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Any doubts? Yeah, that's it. Thank you all. ఒకే టేబుల్ ని same table. Imagine one table is here, another table is there. This table and this table data we will somewhat join with one relation. That is what the logic. Imagine same table copied twice. But here also one table is there, here also in table, same table. You printed 2 times and now you are making connection. But here space from only one day from అవునా ఒకటే టేబుల్ ని మనం 2 టేబుల్స్ లో తీసుకుంటాం ఒకే టేబుల్ ని 2 టేబుల్ లో తీసుకోవాలి 2 టేబుల్స్ లో తీసుకొని మనం అవుట్ పర్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలి చిన్న లాజిక్ మారిస్తే యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ దిస్ బట్ సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ డూప్లికేటెడ్ డేటా ఉంటాయి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక పర్సన్ మల్టిపుల్ కోర్సెస్ చేస్తుంది కోర్సెస్ టేబుల్ cannot have 2 tables put them data. You can have one table. In one table, you can bring the multiple tables. You know how, for example, one guy is well one table only, you can take it as 2 tables. Sir, అదే టేబుల్ ని మళ్ళీ దాంట్లో క్రియేట్ చేసి సేమ్ డేటా అట్లా అవి సబ్ఫార్మ్ చేసేసి రెండు ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇప్పుడు అదే టేబుల్ ఇంకోటి క్రియేట్ చేసి కాపీ చేసి అదే టేబుల్ D2 గా తీసుకున్నా ఒకటే imagine there is another table. Okay. And unfortunately, the table 1 and table 2 have the same data. Same data. They are different names. Table data is same. Now you can perform the operations. But in general, it will be there. In general, where we will perform is okay. If we are getting blank page when we open aggregate functions, I am getting blank page in aggregation functions. Try to do, sir, unique and all, you can just write it one time, sir. It will come automatically unique, sir. Okay. Now, on conditions are necessary for join, sir. Now, next. Now,